Hey guys, well, here's an update on the milling machine. Just gonna come in for a bit, just doing a couple things I need to do here. So anyway, not doing anything in the shop today. Kind of come in the shop every second day, so kind of save on power, I guess. Anyways, we did upgrade onto the milling machine, like we said we would, and I put a bolt in there. I'll put you down underneath and see if you guys want to see that. I don't know if you guys can see anything or not. So there's a bolt through there, right? Now, right through there, put a bushing in there. You can see that. So now this thing is not going nowhere. And we also brought the head down too. I took, I don't know, that is about an inch and a, maybe inch and a quarter out of the tube. So did that there. So, and we put a bunch of washers in here. So if we need to adjust the height, well, nuts and bolts, of course. If we need to adjust the height, we can take some washers out and some nuts out here to adjust the height if we need to. It's a little bit better system. So not really optimal the way I want it to be, but that's the way we're going to do it. So there's a phone call come up on my screen here, but it's too bad. I'm not going to answer it. I'm making the video. Yeah, so that's that there. And yeah, so I've seen guys do this many different ways, and we're going to try doing it this way and see what it's like. I may end up making this a little bit different, but we're going to go with this for now and see how this works. I like this system here, but I don't know. We're just going to have to see how it works. That's all I can say about that. Now this shaft here, it's spring loaded. So unless I take it apart and take that spring out of there and just crank this down when you need to, that might be the best bet. But for now, we're going to go with this system here for now. We'll just keep upgrading and upgrading until we find our happy medium here. So, but yeah, so do it this way, and we'll try this out for now and see what happens. Hopefully the base now doesn't screw around on us. Try it out next time. Anyways, just post a little update on there. We got this upgrade here done now, and we just have to try it and see what happens next. If it still gives us problems, then we'll have to modify. If it needs a problem here or this head here, we'll have to see. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.